My name is Mohammad Ataur Rahman Siddiqui. I'm working for a private bank. So in my office, everyone calls me Rahman. So is it right for me to hear, is it a shirk for me to, because there are many non-Muslims also who call me Rahman by my surname.
Brother has asked a very important question. He said that his name is Ataur Rahman Siddiqui, but in his office they just call him as Rahman. Is it permissible or not? It's not recommended, to be very honest, but it's permissible because Allah is not Rahman, Allah is Ar-Rahman. Allah is not Rahim, Allah is Ar-Rahim. You see, what is the name of the husband of Fatima Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha? Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The fourth caliph of Islam, the son-in-law of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. When you read Ayat al-Kursi, Aliyul Azim. So Allah's attribute is Al-Ali. So somebody cannot call you Ar-Rahman. If they are calling you Ar-Rahman, then it's a serious sin. Absolutely, it's shirk. As long as they call you Rahman, okay, you are not Ar-Rahman, you are just Rahman. But it's still not recommended. They should avoid it, inshallah. I hope I answered the question. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.